Hi guys, Sharice here and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are doing another flexi rod tutorial. I love doing flexi rods on my hair. I love the way that it comes out. It's just one of my favorite hairstyles to do on my hair. This time around, I want to try the horseshoe method. I originally saw this when I was looking up videos how to do flexi rod sets, but I decided to just do it, ooh, child about to fall back. I decided to just do, it the regular way. But because I want to do this style a lot quicker and use fewer rods, I'm going to try out the horseshoe method. I watched a ton of videos here on Instagram and you pretty much get the exact same results if you just do, each section individually. So I definitely want to give it a shot. This method was created by Curl Days here on YouTube. Her Instagram handle is the same as well if you guys want to check her out. I will list her video in the iCard as well, and look down in the description box if you want to check out her video. My hair is already prepped. I'm going to use fewer products in this video than I did my original flexi rod set, only because I tried a new deep conditioning treatment. The recipe had avocado and coconut oil in it. It definitely weighed my hair down and it is a little oily. It's not overly oily. As you can see, my hands are just really moisturized. My hair feels soft. My hair is like a day old after washing it. So, I just want to give my hair some time to kind of soak up that oil a little bit more, because if your hair is too heavy with products, your curls are not going to hold. So I am using less products in this video because my hair is already really moisturized, and I definitely don't want to add on top of that. I want this hairstyle to last as long as it possibly can. Typically for me, a flexi rod set can last roughly a good week. Enough rambling here, you guys. I'm going to do most of this off camera. I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. I'm going to do this side first, and then I'll come back to do this side with you guys. I'm watching videos and stuff because a slip been done. But it's honestly, this will probably take you a good 30 minutes. 30 minutes top. I'm using these 3 products only. One thing I like is that you can use, you can do your hair in bigger sections. I'm gonna take a little bit of the mousse, just run it through my hair. So just place it at the base of the hair, and then you just want to split it in 2. I'm gonna take a little bit more mousse. Then I'm gonna go in with the gel. Okay, so when it comes to my flexi rods, I like to kind of twist my hair around it, not wrap it like that. I don't like Shirley Temple curls. When you're doing the horseshoe method, you have to make sure that you don't have too much spacing between your hair when you're wrapping it around the flexi rod, because you don't have as much space as you normally would if you are using one single rod for a section. So you got to keep that in mind. And then for the ends, you want to make sure that it is nice and saturated. So I'm going to go back in with that mousse. And honestly, I don't really need to use the edge control, but you can if you want to. And then I just kind of bring it together, and then boom. Y'all, it's really easy, to be quite frank.
mind taking it off, and she'll take it off. But even right then, guess what? Even with me trying to answer it the right way, she still get an attitude about it. So, ladies, for one, stop asking that question. Just look in the mirror and trust what the mirror telling you, and stop asking the man the question. So, understand this. A man will not try to control.
Y'all, I love me some Tony Gases.
What you doing? I'm shooting it.
So this is the next morning, and this is how I look if you guys are interested. I think altogether I have like 12 Flexi rods, 6 on this side, 6 on that. Let's go ahead and take these down. I did set underneath the dryer for maybe like 30-45 minutes just to make sure that my hair was going to be dry when I woke up in the morning. So basically you just take it down and you just like flip it. And it might be hard to flip it if you have like a piece of hair that kind of wraps the wrong way around it. Something is not. Just find those hairs and kind of lift them out. I'm like, what is? Oh Lord, I just snapped the piece of hair. Alright, so let's try it again. So I noticed like sometimes, you know, when you wrap your hair around, you might have a piece that might go the opposite way. So you cannot easily roll it down. So if it gets stuck, like you can't roll it down. This one, okay, this one is fine. Oh, let me see. Because you don't want to break your hair. Like I got like a piece, like a strand of hair that's like stuck. So I need to work from the bottom. And just slide it through so I don't break that strand of hair. This one, and I can just go like that. Oh, see, it's a piece of hair that's stuck over there. So I'm going to start from the bottom. See, like sometimes, I don't know if y'all can see it, but right here I have like some hair that's like stuck. It's going like in the opposite way, so it's like locked into it. You don't want to force rolling down the Flexi rod. If it's not rolling down easily, stop and just work your way from the bottom. Just untwist it from the bottom. So this is one side. These curls definitely, they do look good. Wow, this roll here. Trying to show y'all all my business. I got a bra on, so don't even matter. But all right, let's hurry up because I ain't got that much time before I gotta leave the house. So y'all could see like my curls came out. My lips might be a little dry, but they came out really good. I'm gonna go in with this, I think it's what, jojoba oil, whatever. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. For whatever reason, it shrinks on the top. I'm just going to stretch it out a little bit using this blow dryer. I actually just got this. This is the Kiss. Oh my God, I'm trying to hurry and get out of here. Alright, I'm going to take my pick. Alright, you guys, so this is it. I didn't really have enough time to really kind of fluff it out and, you know, get it to my liking, but it actually looks, you know, still pretty good. I'm sorry, I wish I had a little bit more time, but I do need to get to work. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.